Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian and I posted a video on how to draft a built-up neckline. Okay, to make this bubu you need to go and watch the video because we are going to be using the pattern paper to draft out the neck. Okay, and these are the pattern paper I used to draft out the built-up neckline, the front and the back. You can see the neck. The next thing is for me to fold my material into two, okay, like this, and then place the pattern paper there to trace out the bodies and also the neck. You can see what I'm doing. The first thing I did was to trace out my chest line and then my shoulder like this. This is where my shoulder stopped, and that is where my sleeve will start from. Then I went in by 1 inch from my chest line, and from my shoulder I connect it down to my chest line. Place my ruler this way to get my armhole. The next is to trace this line down to the length of this gown. You can see. All right. I also went ahead to trace my waistline because I'm putting my belt there to tighten the waist. Okay. And then I marked out 8 inches. That is my round waist divided by 4. You can see. And then cut out the neckline, leaving half an inch there because the half an inch is for the facing of the neck. Okay. And also went ahead to cut out the area I do not need. So the next one is for me to fold another material, which is going to be for my back. Okay, like this, and then place the front on it and trace the shoulder this way. You can see. After tracing it, I brought out my pattern paper, the back, and then folded the zipper side, the zipper area. You can see what I'm doing because we don't need the zipper here. Then I place it there. You can see, and then trace the neck, leaving half an inch like the way I did on the front, and then place the front to make sure they align together. You can see. Okay, and then cut it off, leaving half an inch or so. You can see what I'm doing. The next thing is to cut off the shoulder. See what I'm doing? Okay, see the final. See, they align together, all the lines. Just make sure you do this so that you won't go wrong. Okay, and these are for my belt. Okay, I've gone ahead to face the neck and also join the shoulder together, the front and the back together, and marked out my waistline for the belt, which is my round waist divided by 4. Okay, mine is 8. I marked it and then use pin to hold it because I'm going to use my sewing machine to sew there, and then fold the mouth of the sleeve. You can see the outcome. Please, this area, try and use needle to tag it. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Bye.